Hello, my name is Ryan Adamson, and I'm the Software Deployment and Facilities Lead for the Exascale Computing Project. Our team's main goal is to take the software ecosystems coming out of ECP and test them and deploy them at supercomputing facilities. The Frontier and Aurora supercomputers are the ones that we are most interested in testing on, because those will be the systems that the rest of ECP will be demonstrating the work that they've done to improve their applications. So software deployment is split up into a couple different sub-areas, each led by a PI. The software integration team is led by Shazeb Siddiqui from Lawrence Berkeley Lab, and that team is building, testing, and deploying SD products at the facilities. The continuous integration team, led by Paul Bryant from Oak Ridge National Laboratory, is deploying the ECP CI infrastructure, which is based on GitLab. They will be automating and enabling project teams to automate these build and test pipelines. The Shasta testing team, led by Jay Srinivasan from Lawrence Berkeley Laboratory, evaluates Shasta releases to make sure that the system software will be compatible with the Exascale Computing software stack. And Scott Ashley from ORNL leads the HPCM and Slingshot testing effort. And they are exploring those two technologies as alternatives to pieces of the Shasta software stack in order to understand and help reduce the risk to ECP. Software deployment teams interface directly with almost all areas of ECP, whether that's with the AD and ST teams themselves to help write tests and test software, or it's with the facilities, helping them understand the implications that the software ecosystem will have on their systems. Our software integration teams are part of something that we have built called the Testing Task Force that helps integrate all of these layers that you see here. The Testing Task Force is really to make sure that we deliver a fully tested and integrated software ecosystem. With any very complex project, we need something to really reduce the complexity. And what the Testing Task Force has helped us do is understand that we can use common open source tools to reduce our complexity. SPAC is a package manager for supercomputers, and it is what the ST teams use to create build recipes and test recipes that the software integration and facility teams can then portably reuse to understand if something is going to work on their systems. Once a team has built a SPAC package, they can become a member of the Extreme Scale Scientific Software Stack. This is a collection of libraries that is curated by the E4S team, and they help build test pipelines as well for integration tests, but they also communicate issues between all parties involved. And finally, we are using GitLab to help us with the testing pipeline complexity at the facilities. Each facility has standardized on GitLab and has platforms available for AD, ST, and E4S teams to use to integrate their tests.